I read a comment on the Toadstool Mushroom Amigurumi video from Courtney Salmons 166, asking, is there any way to make it look less like a maraca? It does resemble a maraca, and a limp one at that. I'm sure some of you would like the toadstool mushroom to stand on its own and look more umbrella-ish looking. So, here are some improvements made on the Toadstool Mushroom Amigurumi. Visit the description box for the Toadstool Mushroom Amigurumi written pattern and video tutorial links. Follow the pattern until you reach round 29. Take a small amount of fiberfill and insert into the stem of the mushroom, until it reaches round 9. Cut a small piece of cardboard paper measuring 2.5 inches in height and 4 inches in length. Roll into a cylinder and secure with a piece of tape. Insert it into the stem of the mushroom. You can choose to add fiberfill into the center of the cardboard or leave it unfilled. Continue until you finish the pattern. Insert fiberfill into the mushroom cap, and sew the opening closed. Take a piece of red yarn measuring 14 inches long, and insert into your darning needle. Fold the mushroom cap between rounds 30 to 33. Insert into the bottom part of the stitch of round 30 and exit on round 33 on the aligned stitch. Reinsert your needle and thread one row below and exit on the next stitch on round 30. Keep on repeating this until you reach the end of the round. Create several large and small mushroom scales and attach onto the mushroom cap. And here is the result. I really like how this turned out. I hope you like it, too. Thank you so much for your comments and suggestions. Until the next video, thank you for your support and for watching. Happy crocheting!